Today on the Wanderlist, I drowned Megan.
Megan, smile for the camera. You really feel this nice.
So we just got out of St. John's Cathedral.
And it was crazy.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
But a cathedral that is just so ornate inside. It's unreal.
Tip for the girls is wear something that's knee length and a jacket, because if not, they'll make you wear a crazy frock looking thing. You have to be conservatively dressed.
Tip for the guys, don't tell your girlfriend so that she has to wear a frock because it's funny looking.
Don't listen to him.
So apparently we chose to come to Valletta the same weekend as the Valletta Film Festival, but there are people from all over the world here showing films that they've made. We haven't really checked it out yet. I don't know that we'll have the chance because we have so much to do, but a lot of people here for
it. This stone is so slick. But not as slick as this guy. What is happening over here? I'm really confused. Do you see this?
We'll read it.
Are they drinking?
Those who insert themselves between the onion and its skin will be marked by its odor.
Oh.
Is that getting into other people's business?
I guess.
It's the eye that eats first. People tend to judge things by first impressions, so outward appearances count just as food must be presented attractively. Very true.
Oh, so this is called a pastéis. It's like a traditional Maltese pastry, kind of. So I got the traditional ricotta one, and then there's a chicken one, and they're really good. It's like 40 cents and 50 cents, or euro.
Yep. Alright guys, it is just afternoon. We booked it out of Valletta to head down to St. Peter's Pool. Should be some cool little clicky spots and jumping.
And Megan wants beer. Hello. Sis?
Bye, St. Peter's Pool. Alright Meg, what's the plan?
We are leaving St. Peter's Pool and we're gonna go head over to the Blue Grotto. Check it out. If I don't die first. Oh God.
Death. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, we realized that we hadn't been to the Blue Grotto yet, and we were over at St. Peter's Pool, and we decided to try and book it over here real quick and catch the last boat in. And we got here just in time to realize that we were €7 short, and the guy was not messing around. He wouldn't take anything, so we missed it. But it's super cool. Wish we could have done it. Maybe next time.
And that's a wrap. We loved Malta. From rocky sea cliffs to sandy beaches to trendy cities, it offers so much in such a small package. We can't wait to come back, but for now we're moving on. Next stop, Croatia.